Hi everyone, it's Mimi. Welcome back to my channel. It is the 10th, so you guys know what that means. I will be unboxing the previous month's sub box for BJ's Glitter. So this is July 2021's sub box. So let's jump right in. Like always, you guys know that I've already dug into this, and this month it is sort of like a tropical watermelon theme. And I have not done a watermelon cup before, so I'm really excited to try these colors out. And as you see, my glitters are a little sparse. I've already transferred them, but before I get to the glitters that are in here, let's go over some of the other items. So first, here is this float, drink, tan, and repeat, and it has like a tropical motif in the background. And I'm sorry for that glare. This is from Broken Leg Vinyl, and this is actually a clear cast. So I believe where the color is, the image is opaque. So you can stick this on. No, it's translucent, but if you have a lighter base, that will show up really nice and bright, just like you see here, if you have a white base. So that is super cute, and it goes perfectly with the colors. Then here is a water slide. Put the lime in the coconut. How super cute. And all of it is outlined in this super cute cheetah print. So raise your hand if you love cheetah print. I am one of those. Next, here is a mold that is in this box. This is what the mold looks like. It is a super cute watermelon keychain. And this measures about 2 3/4 inches wide, give or take. And at the widest part, it is, let's see, about 1.5 inches, a little bit less than 1.5 inches. So pretty good size. I'm thinking for these raised areas, you can go ahead and maybe paint them with mica powder, just dry brush them on, and then that color will transfer on to the resin when it's curing, and it actually leaves no residue on your mold. So if you haven't tried that, I would give that a try so that you can have multi-toned resin pieces. So that is included. And here are the 5 colors that are in July's sub box. So first up, this is Lemonade. It is an extra fine. This is half fluorescent and half transparent. If you guys can see the detail, this is what it looks like under epoxy. Although it's more of a neutral shade, it still is very pretty. I love the tone of this yellow. Next is Mojito, and this is such a pretty shade of green. This is iridescent, and it is a chunky mix. And if you guys have ever worked with BJ's glitter, their glitter is really soft. I absolutely love it. This is what it looks like under epoxy. Look at all that shine every time you tilt it. Next is Sangria. And this is like a pinky red, kind of more on the watermelon spectrum of like the shade. This is very similar to the Lemonade. This is also extra fine. It's half fluorescent and half transparent. And that is what it looks like. The camera is kind of making it a little bit more orange than it is. It's actually a true like watermelon shade. These are great to use for more subtle details when you don't want like kind of in your face glitter, sparkling kind of thing. Next is Cosmo. I absolutely love this shade. This is a chunky mix that is iridescent and pink. It also reminds me of like Barbie pink. Here it is under epoxy. It kind of shifts like a lilac. Do you see that? When it's in the light. Super, super pretty. And lastly, we have Blue Hawaiian. Absolutely gorgeous color. This is also a chunky mix that is iridescent. This is what it looks like under epoxy. It really is really reflective, if you can see that under the lights. So here are the 5 glitter colors that were in July's sub box. I will make sure to have each one of these linked. They are now available at bjsglitter.com. They have also added a whole bunch of new glitters. Make sure to go check them out. And they also have a ton of molds and mica powders. If you are a new customer, make sure to use my discount code. I will make sure to put that in the description box below for a 30% off your entire purchase. But if you have already used it and have been ordering from them, they always do have a discount code on the first page of their website. Just remember that those discounts cannot be applied to the sub boxes or I believe the epoxy. But the sub boxes are only $25 and you get 5 2-ounce glitters. These don't look like them, but let me show you. Like I said, I've already transferred mine into their own shakers, which is the first thing I do whenever I get any new colors in. And this one comes with a mold and 2 decals. So that is a lot of bang for your buck. So make sure to go check them out. I will try my best to do a tumbler this month with these colors. I still have the one from last month coming, so stay tuned for that. And hopefully you guys enjoy playing with BJ's glitter as much as I do. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Check the description box. All the links are down there. And I will see you guys really soon in another video. Bye everyone.